Here I have ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, then go to the storage, and then to SD card. Then tap here and select format, and then tap format. And after a few seconds, your SD card will be formatted. And as you can see, your SD card is now ready to use. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.